No, it's supposed to be mom's. One thing, mom's. It's not.
But Carla, don't accept no more flowers. What do you mean? He's been working hard for that thing. Maybe he think that you like him too.
You have to tell him
It's too early. I told you already. You can't have a boyfriend right now. So if he can wait, that's fine. But you know, it's not nice. Yeah, he been working. He's
Tell him that you're not allowed. You just tell him very nicely that my mom said I'm not allowed to have boyfriends.
yeah.
And I love tell him that. Thank you for the flowers, but
I
please
told him that. He says that. He said I will wait for you.
tell him. Well, tell him please don't send me no more flowers. Tell him.
Yeah, because it's
I
not
keep
nice.
telling him that.
Tell him again. Tell him nicely.
Next time, I'm not gonna accept any flowers. I'm not.
I have one too. Come on,
Because it's not nice. He's been working. He's working hard. And then just spend the flowers.
it's nice though. Look.
I think I have to go back to work at McDonald's. I miss the free food.
Yeah.
You miss McDonald's
I miss the free food.
every day. Yeah, it's not. Tell him that you're not ready yet, you know. Yeah, guys, and again today, Kala have flowers. That kid gave flowers to her and one for me. Jesus, I don't wanna accept it because you know that kid working hard for his money and he just spending it for flowers. And they're just a kid, not yet. Look at this, guys. Kala got flower every single day. May nangligaw na ni Kayla. Pero yun nga, hindi pa bawal pa. Sinabi kong bawal pa. Still not allowed. Every day, may bulaklak. Tingnan mo, guys. Ang daming bulaklak namin. Ito pa. Araw-araw yan, ha? Diyos ko. Ito nung isang araw. Si Kayla, tingnan mo. Hindi man lang marunong maglagay itong si Kayla. Tapos, may nangliligaw na. My God. Ban ko, guys. I don't know. I told her, still not allowed. Pero ang dami na nangligaw ni Kayla. May pabulaklak pa. Diba? May pabulaklak pa. Yesterday, pinagsabihan ko na yung yung manliligaw. Kasi yung nanliligaw, guys, din, 16 years old din ata or 17. Magkaedad lang ata sila. Sinabihan ko ng huwag nang mag-aksaya ng pira. Sinisave pa yun para ang dami na nitong bulaklak. Ako nga kay Anthony, hindi ko nga pinabibili ng bulaklak si Daddy pag wala talagang okasyon kasi magsasayang ng pira. Ito namang manliligaw ni Kayla halos araw-araw. So no, it's a big no. Hindi pa pwedeng magka-boyfriend si Kayla. Iyaw ko pa. Dapat focus siya sa school. Focus sa pag-aaral. Hindi sa ligaw-ligaw na yan. Diba? Huwag muna sa ligaw-ligaw na yan. Focus muna. Pag-aaral kasi yung pinunta namin dito, pag-aaral niya. Hindi kami pumunta dito dahil magpaligaw si Ate Kayla. Mabait naman yung mangliligaw. Ang babata pa lang. Pa pwede. Dapat nakapokus pa sila pareho sa school. Nabigo na yan ni Kayla na Hindi pa talaga pwede, guys. Proud naman ako ni Ate Kyla kasi yun nga, nag-focus talaga siya sa school niya. And she's working, she's making money. So proud of her. Yun nga, ayaw nang umuwi sa Pinas. Honestly, Kyla don't wanna go home. She don't want to go back to Philippines no more. I mean, for vacation maybe, but for good, no. She can go school here. So yun nga, guys. I just came from work. Yun nga, yun. Araw-araw na Kyla halos may bulaklak. Kahapon pinagsabihan ko na yung bata, yung manliligaw, na huwag mo na. Kasi ng piras, bulaklak. Diyos ko, hindi practical yan. Save na lang niya yung pira niya. Hindi kayo magbili-bili ng bulaklak. Diyos ko, malaya lagi hapon. Hindi pa nang itigom. Para puhon sila hang eskwela. And tomorrow is my flight. Fly ako tomorrow by myself. I really hate to fly by myself. Laya. So yan guys, thank you everyone for watching. Galing pa ako sa work, haggard is life pa to. Ano ko lang yung flowers ni Kyla kasi nalalanta na. See guys, thank you everyone. Yan na yung flower. Inisa ko na lang kasi wala nang malagyan, wala nang ano base. Guys, thank you for watching.